Hello everyone, we are Team ADSU Fresh Air Innovators from Adamawa State University, a team driven by one mission, which is to convert everyday waste into productivity. Every year, over 400 million tons of plastic waste are produced worldwide, and less than 10% is ever recycled. Imagine if instead of polluting our lands, our waterways, and the environment at large, that same waste could be used to lubricate our machines and to keep them running smoothly. And of course, as ADSU Fresh Air Innovators, we ask ourselves one big question: what if waste could move the world?
Nigeria alone produces over 2.5 million tons of plastic waste. But what happens to this waste next? They end up as landfills, they destroy soil fertility, they are a threat to animal lives, aquatic life, as well as affect human health. But that's not all. We Nigerians are gifted with a lot of talents and industrial potential, but yet we import this lubricant from other countries, thereby spending billions of naira annually, while we can produce them ourselves here. So we as a team saw two major problems. One, environmental pollution from plastic waste, and then two, overdependence on imported lubricant. What's our solution? Our solution helps in solving these two major problems, in which we have developed an eco-friendly, high-quality lubricant, which is useful and valuable, from polyethylene waste, which is harmful, a semi-solid lubricant used in our automobiles and machines for smooth operations.
How it works. Our process involves the collection of polyethylene waste from refuse dump sites. After the collection, we sort this polyethylene into two categories: the high-density polyethylene and the low-density. Now, after sorting, we wash them and then we sun-dry it. The dried polyethylene waste is then moved to a pyrolysis reactor, and then it is taken into thermal degradation in the absence of oxygen. After that, there is a production of two products, the wax and the oil. For the sake of this project, the wax is what we use. We take this wax into the laboratory and then we blend it with base oil and add additives. The result is an eco-friendly lubricant grease. Value proposition. Our project reduces waste and contributes by creating job opportunities. Now, this can be seen by processes from our project, which includes collection, sorting, and washing of polyethylene waste. This can be assigned to other individuals while they earn money for it. Next value proposition we address is the cost effectivity. Our project is cost effective in the sense that we have low class of raw materials. Polyethylene waste can basically be found everywhere and anywhere. We don't need any form of complex materials to do our project. And then easily accessibility. Our project can be found and done anywhere because materials we use are easily accessible, especially our pyrolysis reactor, which is a locally fabricated one. And finally, our product reduces wear and tear and friction, thereby extending the lifespan of machines.
Our target market includes manufacturing industries, automobile workshops, lubricant marketers, and domestic users. Basically, the Nigerian lubricant market alone is valued at over 300 billion naira annually, yet much depends on import. Our innovation can cut costs, create jobs, and retain value within the country. Environmentally, every kilogram of polyethylene we recycle reduces plastic waste and prevents harmful emissions. Our project aligns with Sustainable Development Goals, especially SDG 9, which promotes industry, innovation, and infrastructure, SDG 12, which promotes responsible consumption and production, and SDG 13, which promotes climate action.
Our idea on business sustainability is not only on protecting the planet, but also building a business that will outlive the problem it solves. To ensure steady waste collection, we partner with waste collection agencies like non-governmental organizations and environmental agencies. We will collaborate with lubricant distributors and automobile companies for large-scale production and market entry. We generate revenue through the sales of our eco-friendly lubricant grease. And our idea is sustainable because It is economically viable, community-driven, and it uses abundant raw materials. It creates job opportunities and fosters youth empowerment.
We are a multidisciplinary team of 5 students driven by passion, innovation, and technology. A team consisting of a chemist, a physicist, a computer scientist, a chemistry educationist, and of course, an environmentalist. And together, we match creativity, science, and technology in order to redefine what waste can become. Our goal is clear, which is to see Nigeria, Africa, and the world at large not buried in waste, but powered by innovation. And therefore, we are seeking mentorship, funding, and partnership in order to scale the production of our prototype into multiple products. Because we believe that when sustainability meets technology, waste can become wealth. And that's exactly what ADSU Fresh Air Innovators are all about. Thank you.